always purifying and putting water over our heads and behind the nape, under your nails, under your toes, and rinse your feet all the way up. Just finished recording the content. Salams everyone. So I'm here at a public Wudu station. Let me show you what it looks like. I will post this video on my YouTube later. So I'm going to walk through the steps on how to make wudu. First thing you want to do is make the intention that you're cleansing yourself and purifying yourself with wudu. Wudu is a purification ritual that Muslims perform. We perform wudu in order to prepare ourselves for prayer, right? So it's very simple, very easy steps, and once you get used to it, you kind of get the gist of it. First things first, you want to use as minimal water as possible. I will be running faucet here, but it was sunnah to actually use a bucket of water and take water from a bucket and actually to perform your wudu. So it's beautiful out here. It's a beautiful sunny day. The sun is beaming down, so the water is very refreshing. So first thing you want to do is make the intention, which I've done. I'm making the intention to make wudu, which I already did wudu already, but I'm doing this for demonstration purposes. Okay, and I do have my hijab on, so I'm out in public. So I'm just gonna perform, do a demonstration on how to make wudu. So roll my sleeves up because I want to get my arms wet from my wrist to my elbow. And you always start with your right side. So anytime you get ready to do something, you want to start with your right side. So starting with Bismillah, we do everything in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That puts more barakah and more blessing into whatever you're doing, whether you're opening the door from someone, whether you're getting ready to stand up, always say Bismillah. So Bismillah, we're going to begin to perform wudu. So I'm turning the water on as low as possible to begin. Always start with the right hand first. If your hands are dirty, wash your hands first before you start. But you want to start with your right hand. Making sure you clean under your fingernails. Make sure there's no dirt or nastiness under there. And wipe it to your wrist 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And then your left hand. 1, 2. Out my mouth. Now that my hands are clean, I'm going to put water in my mouth and rinse my mouth and gargle 3 times. So any mucus that's hanging out back there, any food, you want to wish it around and get anything out of your mouth. And literally you're washing the sins, anything that you may have said with your tongue, you are literally washing those sins out of your mouth, inshallah. So here we go. Also, I try to pull, you know how you can pull your sinuses while I have the water in my mouth, pull anything that's in your nose and in your nasal passage. Try to suck that out and spit it out while you're making the gargle. So you're pulling anything out of your throat, pulling any sinuses and any mucus out of your nose as well, and spitting that out. And now I'm gonna move on to actually rinse my nose. So this is the hard part and I'm still not used to it, but you want to suck the water in just a little bit, literally suck the water in and blow it out. So I'm about to demonstrate how to do that. Now that our nasal passage is rinsed, now we want to wash our face, which makes sense, right? Because now that we blowed all the mucus out of our nose, we want to wash our face. So 3 times. So 1, 2, all around. 3, even under here, your neck area as well. You want to clean your whole entire face. And wudu is so good for your face. If you deal with acne or if you have oily skin, combination skin, then it's going to always purifying and putting water on your face. It's going to clear your pores, keep your pores clear, and I promise you will see a result in how your skin looks. over your head and behind your neck. And with this motion, you say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. So, after that, we're ready for our feet. So, same thing like with your nails, with your hands. You want to make sure there's no dirt in between, under your nails, under your toes, and rinse your feet all the way up to your ankles. So 1, 2, 3, the right side, then 1, 2, 3, the left side. If you have like a pumice stone and you have like dirty feet, this would be a good time to use that to scrub any dirt, or if you use like a lot of heavy creams and stuff on your feet and it feels like it's built up and waxy or whatever, you probably want to wash that off as well. And then you're done. And make the dua afterwards. Is the shahadu, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his messenger. And then you're complete with your wudu, and that's it. And now I'm going to get ready to go inside to make my dohar salat. InshaAllah. Tie my hijab back up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Everybody's having a great day.